So how to get your NHS number. So in this video, I'm just going to guide you through step by step on how to find your NHS number. So first things first, jumping straight into the video, you're going to want to head over to the NHS website and come to this web page here, which says find your NHS number. But I'll also leave a link below in the description. And then once you're on this page, nice and simple, you'll just want to scroll down and click Start Now. Then once you've clicked Start Now, you'll just need to go ahead and enter your full name. Then once you've entered your full name, click Continue. And then you'll be brought through to this page here, and you'll just need to go ahead and enter your date of birth. Then once you've entered your date of birth, click Continue again. And then you'll be brought through to this page here, and you'll just need to go ahead and enter your postcode. Then once you've entered your postcode and click Continue, you'll then just need to go ahead and check over your answers. So make sure to double check that, and if it's correct, click Continue. And then once you've done that, you'll then have a few options about how to get your NHS number. So they can either send it by the email they've got on file, or send it by text message, or just to your address. So for me, for the example of this video, I'm just going to say phone number. And then once you've selected your preferred option, select Send My NHS Number. And there you have it. And your NHS number should be sent over by the method you requested. And as you can see, since we selected text message, you can see that we've got a text message to confirm our NHS number here. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.